A good friend comes uninvited. To begin as easy to persist as an art. Everything is worth what the buyer will pay. An old fox understands a trap. Everything in its season. Proffered service stinks. Desperate times call for desperate measures. There is no little enemy. You must meet roughness with roughness. Out of sight, out of mind. Adversity is the mother of wisdom. Take heed of enemies reconciled and of meat twice boiled. There is danger in delay. Don't make a mountain out of a molehill. Early ripe, early rotten. Early ripe, early rotten. Charity begins at home. Whatever you do, act wisely and consider the end. It is not wise to open old wounds. A good name is the best of all treasures. Better late than never. Precepts teach. Examples move. Better a fool with everyone else than a wise man alone. Do not judge others by your own yardstick. Better a sparrow in the hand than a dove on the roof. Zeal without knowledge is a runaway horse. A faint heart never won fair lady. If life gives you lemons, make lemonade. Buy cheaply, pay dearly. A good conscience needs no accuser. Fortune favors the bold. The heart sees farther than the head. While the grass grows, the steed starves. Paper is forbearing. Don't wash your dirty linen in public. A that grows too early gets its neck twisted. A fish stinks from the head. The covetous man is good to none, and worse to himself. Worse to himself. Envy is its own torturer. The wolf finds a reason for taking the lamb. The best defense is a good offense. Second thoughts are the best. Beggars can't be choosers. A drowning man grasps at a straw. Eavesdroppers hear no good of themselves. The straight path is the best one. Man proposes, God disposes. Every man thinks his own geese swans. Men are like fish, the great ones devour the small. The small. Forget others' faults, remember your own. Self-praise stinks. One certainty is better than 10 uncertainties. One today is worth 10 tomorrows. All's well that ends well. Everyone should have a happy, healthy distrust. Being alone is not good even in paradise. No one is as blind as the one who does not want to see. A disaster seldom comes alone. One swallow doesn't make summer. Diffidence is the right eye of prudence. Poverty is the reward of idleness. What is learned in the cradle lasts to the tomb. Through the tomb. Joy shared, joy doubled. Sorrow shared, sorrow halved. Forced love and self-made colors do not last. Great minds think alike. Birds of a feather flock together. God lets us seek but not drown. Faith is half the battle. One should honor the old. Once you teach the young. A fool is ever. The apple does not fall far from the tree. Different countries, different customs. Better to be alone than in bad company. Walking with a friend in the dark is better than walking alone in the light. One enemy is too many. 100 friends aren't enough. A nice wife and a back door oft make a rich man poor. Choose a wife by your ear rather than by your eye. You